Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached cruising altitude. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
What the hell is that?
Oh my god. Don't be scared. I'm only here to stretch my legs.
I hate you.
Hey man, what's wrong with you? At least control your hands. I need it. We have to stop him.
You're not the only one with tricks. I think we're just getting started. You're going to kill us all.
Not today.
Venom, stop. This isn't us. Oh, I beg to differ. What the hell is that? Something I didn't invite? Hey, this game is fun. I swear I've never had this much fun before.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.